Look, there is no magic diet pill. There's no quick fix for weight loss that you can maintain. There's no shortcut. If you want to lose weight in 2023, you've got to do things differently and think about things differently. Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Kathleen Hart and I'm a mindset and weight loss coach. This video is going to give you 3 tips on what you can do right now to implement changes in your weight loss journey for the new year. But if you do feel like you need more help beyond this video, I do offer one-to-one coaching packages as well as group coaching for mindset and weight loss. All of that information is down in the description box below. But let's jump in to that first tip. So the first thing, you need to stop making excuses for yourself. There it is, I said it. All of the time we are making excuses and we are fighting for our limitations on why we cannot reach our goals, why we haven't reached our goals in the past, and why we probably won't reach our goals in the future because of X, Y, Z. I'm too busy. Being overweight runs in my family. I don't have time to meal prep. Losing weight's too hard. I'm just not meant for it. I can't stick to anything for longer than a couple days or a couple weeks or a couple months. I can't even get started because it didn't work last time. Why would it work this time? What is the point? Or I lost a lot of weight, but I just can't keep it off. I don't know what's wrong with me. No matter where you fall on that list of excuses and then some, there's nothing wrong with you. You are perfectly fine. You're exactly where you're supposed to be in this thing we call life. You just need direction and just stop making the excuses. This video is meant to be totally uplifting and motivating for you. I want you to stop it now so that you can reach those goals because you're worthy of those goals. You deserve all of those weight loss goals and you can accomplish them. Think about that. Any goal that you have right now, you can accomplish it. I was once over 200 pounds. I am now maintaining at 130 pounds. I haven't been this weight since high school. I'm 37 years old with 2 little kids, a 2-year-old and a 4-year-old. And I can honestly say this last weight loss journey was my easiest one. So the first thing you're going to do moving forward after watching this video is write down any excuses that you have right now or anything that you believe is holding you back. Whatever those things are, these invisible things that are holding us back, they're not real. They're just lies. They're just what I call limiting beliefs. Some people call them negative beliefs. These are just things that we continue to tell ourselves and we believe that narrative. We believe that story. So what do? We have to tell a new story. So tell the story about what you want to happen, not about what you think will happen if you try something new. We've got to get ourselves out of that box where we keep telling ourselves that we're not where we want to be because of X, Y, Z. Those things, they don't exist because there's plenty of other people that are doing exactly what you want to do and they are living at their goals and they're doing it because they believed that they could get there. So write all of those things down that you believe are limiting beliefs and really look at them and say, are these even true? Because I bet you, I know so actually, that they're just not true. You've got to start telling that new story. Tell the story of what you want to see, not what your limiting beliefs are telling you that you're going to see. Tip number 2, focus on lifestyle changes rather than quick fixes. I know it's really easy to latch onto a new fad diet, to go super strict in something just to lose the weight fast, or pay for someone to ship you food, to eat disgusting food that someone ships you in a box that has not much nutritional value or is super low calorie. Of course you're going to lose weight doing those things, but what happens when you go back to eating the regular way, eating real food? You guys, it's just a quick fix. A quick fix to have you spike downward in your weight to go right back up again and then some. So what I say is skip all of the quick fixes. Skip them. Focus on lifestyle changes instead. And I promise you, not only will you lose weight, you will keep it off because you're not going to deviate. You're going to go from losing weight into maintenance effortlessly, easily, because you are doing a lifestyle change, something that you can stick to long term, not a quick fix diet where you lose and gain. It just doesn't work that way. Take it from me. I have done every single diet on the planet, and I can tell you right now, nothing worked until I repaired my mindset and focused on lifestyle changes. So I want that so much for every single person out there watching. Take it from me. Stop making excuses. Focus on a lifestyle change, something you can stick to long term. That comes with dieting and exercising. Whatever feels good to you, do something that you can do long term. Remember, consistency is so much more important than perfection. So tip number 3, I want you to sit down and really get clear. Think about it. Take some time to think about it. What are your goals? What kind of lifestyle is a healthy lifestyle to you? It's gonna look completely different between you and I and the next person and the next person. So really, you've got to get clear on what is important to you. What kind of things do you want to see in your healthy lifestyle? How do you want to act? What are the things that you want to be doing? How do you want to feel? What are your goals? These are all things that you need to get super specific on before you can receive those things. Because think about it. You could throw out a blanket statement and say, I really want to lose weight. And then tomorrow you wake up and you've lost a pound. And a lot of people get discouraged when that happens because they're like, oh, it's just a pound. But you asked to lose weight, you got a pound of weight loss, yet you're not excited and not celebrating that. So it's really important to get clear on your goals and to really clear your mindset around what's blocking you from reaching those goals. So I would encourage you to sit down and really write down exactly what you want. And what I like to do when I'm journaling this is to really put out the blanket statement and say, if I could have anything I wanted, and if everything would go perfectly, so there's no excuses, there's no, well, what if this happens or what if that happens? That doesn't exist. What would I ask for? So if I could have anything I wanted and it would go perfectly, what would I ask for? That is so powerful. It really is. And if you sat down and did a quick journal prompt for that and then wrote some goals afterwards about what you really wanted, I guarantee it would get your mindset aligned with your goals and you would not only feel better, but you would be inspired to then go on and start something. This is just a small glimpse of what mindset, combining that with weight loss, what it can do for your life. You can change your life by changing your mindset. I want that for every single person out there. You see me online and you see me doing my journey and you see me losing weight and maintaining and all these things, and people are like, what is your secret? My secret is mindset. That's why I coach on it. That's why I mentor on it. That's why I am trying to get everyone, I'm screaming it from the rooftops, to understand that mindset is everything. And if you're not repairing your mindset right now and you're not at your goals, that's it. That's the missing link. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, definitely give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, where I show daily what I'm doing, what I'm eating, tips, tricks, what I'm doing for mindset, and all of the things. And if you are interested in mindset and weight loss coaching, I am here for you. The links are all down in the description box below this video. I hope you guys like this one, but I'll see you really soon with a new video. Bye, everyone.